Across the globe, in bustling cities and quiet towns alike, one will almost certainly encounter Filipino nurses in hospitals, clinics, and care facilities. Their presence is so ubiquitous that, over time, they have become an essential part of the backbone of global healthcare. But how did Filipino nurses achieve this vital role? The story is one of history, resilience, dedication, and a culture deeply rooted in compassion. The roots of Filipino nursing stretch back to the early 20th century, when the Philippines was under American colonial rule. During this time, Western-style medical education was introduced, and the first nursing schools were established in the Philippines. The curriculum was modeled after American standards, and English became the language of instruction. This unique blend of rigorous training and English proficiency would later become a significant advantage, making Filipino nurses highly sought after in English-speaking countries. After World War II, the demand for healthcare professionals surged globally. Countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada faced shortages in their medical workforce, especially in nursing. At the same time, the Philippines was grappling with economic challenges, and overseas work became a promising avenue for many Filipinos seeking better opportunities. The Philippine government recognized this need and institutionalized labor migration, facilitating the deployment of nurses and other professionals abroad. Filipino nurses began migrating in large numbers, first to the United States and later to Europe, the Middle East, Australia, and beyond. Their adaptability, strong work ethic, and exceptional clinical skills quickly earned them a reputation for excellence. The ability to communicate fluently in English allowed Filipino nurses to integrate seamlessly into foreign healthcare systems, bridging gaps and overcoming cultural barriers. The value of Filipino nurses extends beyond their technical expertise. Nursing in the Philippines is not just a profession, it is a calling. Filipino culture places a high premium on caring for others, with values such as malasakit, compassion, and bayanihan, community spirit, deeply ingrained in daily life. These values manifest in the way Filipino nurses approach their work, with patience, empathy, and genuine concern for their patients. It is not uncommon to hear stories of Filipino nurses going above and beyond their duties, treating patients as family and offering comfort during moments of vulnerability. In the United States, Filipino nurses played a pivotal role during critical periods, such as the HIV/AIDS crisis in the 1980s and the COVID-19 pandemic. Many worked in underserved communities and high-risk environments, often taking on challenging shifts that others might avoid. Their resilience and dedication contributed significantly to the stability and effectiveness of healthcare delivery during times of crisis. The United Kingdom, too, has benefited immensely from the contributions of Filipino nurses. The National Health Service, NHS, has relied on overseas recruitment to fill gaps in its workforce, and Filipino nurses have been among the top recruits. Their integration into the NHS has not only helped alleviate staffing shortages, but has also enriched the healthcare environment with their unique perspectives and compassionate approach to patient care. In the Middle East, Filipino nurses are found in hospitals and clinics across countries like Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, and Qatar. They provide essential services to diverse populations, often working long hours and facing unique challenges associated with cross-cultural caregiving. Despite these challenges, Filipino nurses have earned respect and admiration for their professionalism and adaptability. The global demand for Filipino nurses continues to grow, driven by aging populations, increased healthcare needs, and ongoing workforce shortages in many countries. For the Philippines, the migration of nurses has both positive and negative implications. On one hand, it provides economic benefits through remittances, which support families and contribute to national development. On the other hand, it poses challenges such as brain drain, where the loss of skilled professionals can strain the local healthcare system. Recognizing this, the Philippine government and various organizations have implemented measures to balance the needs of the local and international healthcare sectors. Efforts include enhancing training programs, promoting ethical recruitment practices, and encouraging nurses to return and serve in the Philippines after gaining experience abroad. Some have come home to teach the next generation, bringing with them new knowledge and global best practices. The personal journeys of Filipino nurses are stories of sacrifice and perseverance. Many leave behind their families and familiar surroundings to work in foreign lands, facing homesickness and the challenges of adapting to new cultures. Yet, they remain committed to their mission, driven by the desire to provide a better life for their loved ones and to make a difference in the lives of their patients. Filipino nurses have also become community builders in their host countries. They form support networks, organize cultural events, and advocate for the rights and welfare of migrant workers. In many places, Filipino nurse associations have been established, offering professional development opportunities and fostering camaraderie among members. The legacy of Filipino nurses is evident not only in the lives they touch, but also in the recognition they receive. Many have received awards and honors for their service, and their contributions are celebrated during special events such as International Nurses Day. Hospitals and healthcare institutions acknowledge the indispensable role of Filipino nurses, noting their reliability, teamwork, and positive impact on patient outcomes. As the world continues to face evolving health challenges, the importance of Filipino nurses remains undiminished. Their story is a testament to the power of dedication, compassion, and global citizenship. Whether in the emergency room of a major city hospital or the bedside of a rural clinic, Filipino nurses bring hope, healing, and humanity to the forefront of healthcare. The journey of Filipino nurses from their homeland to the world stage is a remarkable one. It is shaped by history, driven by necessity, and sustained by an unwavering commitment to care. Their essential role in global healthcare is not just measured in numbers or economic contributions, but in the countless lives they have saved, comforted, and inspired. In every corner of the world, wherever there is need, Filipino nurses answer the call, not only as skilled professionals, but as ambassadors of care and compassion. Their legacy continues to grow, reminding us all that the true heart of healthcare beats strongest in those who serve with humility and love.